Hi, Tony here from Lightwave Digital. Today what I'm going to do is show you how quick it is to set up a basic animation using some of the Lightwave dynamics. So in this scene, what I've got 6 spheres, which are bingo balls, and then this platform. And what I'm going to use is the very quick and basic dynamics to make an animation. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little icon here while I'm on objects, and I'm going to choose all the actual spheres, and then I'm just going to move it up in the air to about here. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone this platform a couple of times. So to clone it, if you hold control on your keyboard and C, and it'll say how many clones. I want 2. Okay, so it's cloned them. So what we can do is we can pull them down like so. So we've got 3 different ones, and then what we'll do is we're going to make an animation so the balls using dynamics hit the actual platform, roll off onto the next one and the next one, and so on. So the first thing we'll do is we'll set the platforms up. So let's move this one along, click on the Y to rotate, and let's just rotate it, and let's have a look where it is. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to make it so when the balls hit, they're going to hit this platform. And then what they're going to do is roll down and fall onto this platform. So let's rotate this. All I'm doing is pressing the Y and obviously, so under modify, move and Y, just to move them into place, and then just check that the balls will probably hit. Okay, like so. And then they'll hit that, and then the last one will be this one, and we'll move it down and then rotate it like so. Let's move it back a little bit, so hopefully it'll hit and not miss any of them. But let's see first. So the first thing what we'll do now is we'll go to the effects tool, and where it says enable dynamics, we're going to disable it, and then go down to item properties. Then what we're going to do is we're going to select all 6 balls here, look, under this little icon again. And under the effects tool, we're going to tell them to be rigid bodies. And by default, this will come up. And we're going to leave everything exactly the same. The only difference is when it says mesh, we're going to say it's a sphere because they are spheres, so they're going to roll and stuff. Then we're going to choose all 3 of the ground planes here. And then we're going to tell it to be a static body. So we're saying that these are just solid objects. And we're just going to leave everything the same again, and then we'll click on the very end. So currently I've got about 4 or 5 seconds here. Click enable. Now based on how quick your computer is, you might get a little progress bar, but if we press play, there's the animation. Okay, let's watch it through again. So the balls are interacting with each other and the ground planes, and they're quite quick. Okay, so you can play around with the settings, and we can speed that down, so we can give some friction and higher that out. Or if we want to speed it up a little bit, an easier way to do it is if we choose all the balls in the dynamics, maybe go to here. Let's change the actual gravity. So let's put it -4. Click in the end so it can recalculate, which it's done really quickly for mine, and then press play. It's a bit slow and nice, I quite like that speed. And it's as easy as that. You can go to the settings, the different settings, and you can add to more. If you add the more friction, it might slow it down a bit because you're having friction. You can tell them to be more bouncy, so they'll bounce more. And then again, you can influence. Again, the same with the ground level, you can make that more bouncy. But that's how quick it is and simple of choosing and setting up the actual dynamics and having a nice little animation. So in the next part what we'll do is we'll set some cameras up and show you how you can jump between the different cameras. Thanks for listening.